the temple of democracy, where law were being debated, framed, and enacted by people's representative for the welfare of the downtrodden citizen, who represent the voice of the voiceless, the poorest of the poor. But now, the very basic of our democratic foundation has collapsed in the recent past. The parliament has unabatedly become an arena of political parties' majoritarian dictate. It has become where minority victims were coerced with false propaganda and narratives of the majority. I would like to quote Desmond Tutu's statement: "If you are silent in situation of injustice, you have chosen the side of the oppressor." My dear friends, we are in this situation now. My dear countrymen, do not be bogged down by the atrocity of ethnic cleansing program that we face today. We have a living God with us, and in Psalm it is written thus: "Fret not yourself because of evildoer, be not envious of evildoer, for they will soon take flight like the grasses and wither like the green herb. Trust in the Lord and do good. Dwell in the land and befriend faithfulness. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desire of your heart. Commit your ways to the Lord. Trust in Him, and He will aid. He will bring forth your righteousness as the light." And then Rabindranath Tagore put it: "Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, we will stand. We will protect our dignity, our land, and our identity. Long live Joe Land!" Có thể nên tụi mình là tăng hen là nói với con là vài đồn gì các kịp